Hey guys, how's it going? It's Janie over here at JaniesSweets. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make these trendy cupcakes that are super simple to make. So if you want to learn how I do this, then keep on watching. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, this style of cupcake is super popular. You see it everywhere on Pinterest, on Instagram, even here on YouTube, and I love how they always turn out. Now, the reason why I love them is that it can take your cupcakes from like a regular womp type of cupcake that, you know, has amount of buttercream on it and elevate it to a whole other dimension. Like, it makes it look that much more classy. Now, for this particular design, I wanted to add some lace cupcake liners. So all I did is I purchased them on Amazon. You could just Google lace cupcake liners. These will come up. I got these in white, but you can get them in any color that you like. I feel like they have every color on the rainbow, so you'll find them right on Amazon. Now, I've baked my cupcakes in a cupcake liner, like the transparent white ones, and then I'm just going to shove it into this lace one. Now, in my experience, I have found that the best results come from having 4 different colors, right? You can use 3, no less than 3, but I've used 4. I used a burgundy, a pink, a gray, and a white. Now, the colors have to complement each other, and that is it. Like, there's no rule to go, you know, about, like, you don't have to have like a white, there must be a purple, there must be a this. No, so whatever colors you like, that's how you go with doing it. What I'm showing you here is how to make burgundy buttercream. Now, Wilton does sell a thing called burgundy, like a gel coloring called burgundy. In my experience, it's never really truly burgundy. So the way that I personally like to make burgundy is by adding some red, some purple, and a touch of brown gel food coloring to my buttercream, and it will give you a truer burgundy color. If I kept going, it probably would get darker, but I liked the way that it looked. So I am using a 1M tip with my burgundy color, and I'm just going to make a rosette on the side. Now, the trick with this is just go with the flow. Do whatever feels natural and feels good to you. If you're trying to mimic or copy another person's design, which I have learned the hard way, it's never going to look good, right? So this design is meant to look haphazard, or, you know, like just free form. So just do whatever you want. As long as it looks good and it's good enough. So I'm using Wilton 1M tip on both the pink and the burgundy. I don't remember what the gray one was. I think it was just a star tip, as well as the white one. It was just a star tip. And then, yeah, just like fill in the gaps. Like, I wasn't going with a template. I wasn't following a design. I just was doing it. Now, for each tray, I've done a different style of design. So for this tray, I'm going with the rosette with the pink, and you saw with the other one, it was with the burgundy. So just do whatever you want. Like, literally, this is where your imagination is gonna take over. So you guys, those were my tips and tricks on how to create this trend of cupcakes. I really hope you found it helpful. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. As always, if you click on the annotation to your left, you will be directed to my last video. All of my socials are at JanieSweets. You can find me on Instagram as well as on Facebook, and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any of my future videos. That is it for this week's tutorial, guys. I love you. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.